Welcome, guys, to another episode of Sky Wars. Even though I never recorded Sky Wars in the first place, but I just wanted to sound like Technoblade because my whole school said a few days ago that I sound like Technoblade. I disagree with them, but can't really help what people think of me. So, I mean, literally everyone I talk to on the internet says I sound like no, tells me I sound like Technoblade. I don't really know why, but that's what they say. I mean, of course I'm using Technoblade's texture pack that I saw in one of his videos, but we don't need to talk about that. Yeah, I'm not very good at hotkeying, you've probably noticed. So there's proof I'm not Technoblade if you're watching this video school. Yeah, I'm also not a good bridger. I just have a deep voice like him, I guess. Technoblade, if you're watching this, which you probably will never see it because you're famous. Hi. Yeah, he's probably never gonna see this video. Alright, so people say I sound like Technoblade, and I disagree with them. But nothing like Technoblade. And some who is calling me. I'm just going to huh? I don't know what that was. Some guy just called me and instantly hung up. I have no idea what that was, and because of that I died because it took away all my attention span because I have ADHD. I'm not Technoblade. Don't have cancer. Jesus. This is an awkward video. I need to stop. Yeah, but my entire school thinks I'm Technoblade in disguise, but I'm not. The real Technoblade is probably like collabing with Dream and Tommy and or whatever friends he has. I don't have friends other than like 3, but we don't need to talk about that. Is there no sword? Oh, there is one. I'm stupid. All I've been getting is stone swords. Can I get 40 coins, please? Please, just 40 coins. Any type of damage, so when he died, there ain't no way he hit that. Ow. Technically, if you're watching this, which is probably impossible, please hit that like button. If you subscribe to me, I would be blown away. But yeah, if you noticed, I was trying to act like you for a few moments, just to throw my school people off. All right, bye guys.